Hi, Celine here with the second or third part to this video about the Love Me Peruvian Deep Wave hair. Okay, I just freshly washed this today and I wanted you to see how it looked before I went to sleep and everything. This hair is gorgeous. When I say it takes color well, it is easy to maintain. It does not tangle like you think, not rat nest type of tangling going on there. But it will snag because it is curly hair. I'm not going to say it is a snag now, but it just doesn't have this massive poof ball of hair just sucked together. You know what I'm saying? So, and I've had this hair for, I know before Christmas. So, I can't exactly remember when I ordered it, but this is the box that it came in. Do you get all the goodies that you get when you order from the original luvme.com? No, you don't. But, you will get the little cute packaging. It comes with all the dilly-dallies and the little hair ties and stuff that the hair and stuff that the hair was in. Now, in the other videos, we'll show how the hair looked before I did anything to it. And also in the other video, I'm gonna show where I have washed it, and I wanted you to see what it looks like when it's wet. And that was right before, I dried that and put this in here. Now, me personally, I'll throw this stuff in the microwave in a second, so it'll hurry up and dry. And that's exactly what I did. I didn't wait to air blow dry all that. I don't have that kind of time. So, I know it sounds funny, but microwave works. So, for me, you ain't got to do it. But anyway, what I was saying about the hair is that it is very pretty. It's easy to maintain. Like I said, this is 18, 20, and 22. As you can see, it is not stiff anywhere. Ooh, it's in my eye. It's not stiff anywhere. And it is the full 22 inches. So, if you want to press it out, you can. Or, straighten it, and it'll pretty much look, I think, probably like the kinky straight hair. I haven't tested it myself like that, so I mean, it's up to you. But anyway, as I was saying, I just wanted you to know that there is decent quality hair. It was not super expensive. I did buy this off of the Love Me Hair Amazon store. So they do have straight, and this is deep wave. They had straight, and I can't remember what the other one they had on there right now. But if you go on there and look, you'll see it. And I'll leave everything that I'm saying here in the description bar below. So if you like what you're hearing and seeing, like, comment, and subscribe. I do try to answer if you ask questions. I try to check the site fairly often now. So I do kind of lead a busy life, so I'm not always right there. But as soon as I see that you have a question and stuff, I will try to answer it if I can. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this short video. It wasn't here to be long. I just wanted you to see the results and what you can and can't do with this hair. And I'm natural. I've been natural for a while now, so you can pull this hair up, back, and you see how natural it actually looks. So it's fairly easy to style. And just add a little water to it or conditioner to it, and the curls pop. Now, one thing I will tell you is because it's been lightened and everything, the curls did loosen up. I have not cut the ends on the hair because I wanted you to see exactly how long it was before I did anything else to it. So I am going to clip the ends and stuff, so that'll alleviate a little of that. and the ends aren't frizzy when you get it. Like I said, I have processed this hair and stuff, so you know. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please continue to watch my videos. I'll crank them out as soon as I can get them out, and I think the next video that I will show is going to be on some makeup and stuff that I ordered, but I've got to get that together. And I'm see, I got Mickey. I'm ready for bed. So until next time, like, comment, and subscribe.